I recently put out a video in regards to Pluto, talking about how these new images they just put out were showing along the horizon there are these massive dark spots, like craters, circular in nature, but they're only around that specific part of the equator. Now, they said here by the 14th, 15th of this month, they should have very good information regarding all this mystery surrounding these spots. Now, 10 days before it's due to make this closest approach, the agency is stating that on July 4th, yesterday afternoon, right around 2 p.m. Eastern, they lost contact with this $700 million unmanned flyby mission. They said they lost contact for more than an hour and 20 minutes. They were able to regain a signal from the probe via NASA's Deep Space Network at 3:15 p.m. But as a result, the spacecraft systems have entered into a safe mode until they can diagnose this problem. So at this point, it's on autopilot, and it's programmed in this situation to switch to its backup computer and then try to directly set up communications with Earth. Now, they're also stating that here in the meantime, they're going to try to get it back to its original flight path, which is going to take some time. And while they're doing this, it may take up to several days. They will not be able to collect any scientific data, is what they're saying. So they get this close. They say this is what happens when you're 3 billion miles from home. But, you know, out of all of the images we've seen, they've landed on the Rosetta mission, landing on that body in space while it's moving, and never seen any kind of breakup like this. They get these mystery images, these mystery craters popping up in these shots. They tell us about it, and the next thing you know, they've lost control. That's how I'm seeing it. So if they do end up giving us any images from here on out, they will be extremely closer. And I'm not so sure if they're going to do that. I'll leave a link. Eyes to the skies.